Okay, you're in Microsoft Word and you want to change the default font. All you have to do on the Home tab of your ribbon in the font group is click on this little button and that'll launch the font dialog box. You can also use a shortcut key, Control D, that will open the same dialog box. So all I have to do now is select the new font. I can also specify a size, and if there are any other settings I want to apply, I can apply those down here. And then very simply, I use this little button to set this as the default font. So I can either do it for this document only, or I can apply the change to the template that Word uses for new documents. If so, I need to select this option here. Click on OK. Then I can close down this instance of Word. I don't need to save that document. And if I reopen Word, you can see now it's applied that default font and default font size. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.